Hello and welcome to Once Hub Video Tutorials. My name is Rima. I am a part of support team here at Once Hub. In today's video, we'll see how you can use localization editor for your booking pages. Let's get started. Now, what is localization editor? So, let's say you want to change the language or the text, the wording, or the terms that are used within OneSub for the customer interface. And you also want to change or be able to change the date and time format. So, all of these things can be managed through localization editor. So, let's get started with the steps. You would first need to sign into your OneSub account and then click on booking pages from here on the left hand side. Now, from the scheduling setup page, hover over to the icons on the left and go to localization editor. Now, in the middle of the screen, you will see these are the settings from where you can change date and time format and the week start day. And if you scroll down, these are all the general terms, the wordings which are used within OneSub for the customer facing. So this is everything basically that customer sees when they visit your booking link. So on the left hand side here, these are all the predefined system locales and the languages. So it has English US, which is applied by default, then English UK, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, and Dutch. These are all the languages which are supported at the moment. So if you're using a system locale, then you won't be able to make any changes to the custom text which is there. So the text is not changeable. But if you want to change it, you would need to create a new custom locale. So for that, you will click on New Locale. And select from which locale you want to duplicate it from. I'm selecting English UK and create. Now this is my custom locale. And now you will see the option is available to change the text as well. So let's make some changes to our locale. So I'll change the time format to AM and PM. Change week start day from Monday to Sunday. And when your customer visits your link, there's a thing which says pick a date and time. So I'm going to change it to select date and time. And now I'll go ahead and save the changes. So this is how you create a custom locale, make the changes, change the terms, language, whatever you prefer. The next step is to apply it on your booking pages or the master page. So we'll again hover over to the icons on the left and go to the overview section. From the overview, I want to apply this custom locale on my JNG Associates, this master page. So I'll open the master page. From the overview section on the right hand side, there's an option of locale, and I'll click the drop down, select the locale that I have created, and it gets saved. Now I'll open my booking link to check whether the changes were applied or not. So this is the link. So first thing, pick a date and time got changed to select date and time as we made that change. Week starting is now from Sunday rather than Monday, which was previously there. And the time format also got changed to AM and PM rather than 24-hour. So all the changes were made. So this is how you can create a custom locale through the localization editor and then apply it on your booking page or the master page. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.